This tiny amp slaps harder than your ex. KickEQ CXA1200.1 Review. 1 ohm beast mode. Ever feel like your sound system just ain't cutting it? Like you're stuck driving a bassless tin can while your playlist begs for boom? You tweak, adjust, crank the volume, but it's all bark, no bite. You've spent hours, and probably too much cash, chasing clean lows and chest-thumping drops, only to end up with distorted disappointment. Your amp chokes, your sub sulks, and you suffer. You know your music deserves better, but your current setup is doing your vibe dirty. Let's be real, it's not just frustrating, it's soul-crushing. Especially when deadlines are looming, traffic's raging, and your car is your only escape. Imagine rolling up with weak sauce audio while your friends flex full body bass. Nah, that's not it. You're dealing with clipping, weak power, signal noise, and a system that stalls every time you dare to push it. One missed beat and your whole mood's off. That's how burnout starts, from your sound system down. But don't worry. Salvation is here. Meet the KickEQ CXA1200.1 Monoclass D subwoofer amplifier, the beast you've been dreaming of. This bad boy blasts 1,200 watts of clean, controlled bass with enough power to make your mirror shake and your neighbors pray. Stable down to 1 ohm, featuring KickEQ variable bass boost, 24 decibel subsonic filtering, and up to 40 volt signal input, this amp isn't just loud, it's laser-focused, flexible, and freakishly reliable. Say goodbye to distortion and hello to chest-thumping, crystal clear bass that slaps like a boss. With the KickEQ CXA1200.1, you're not just upgrading your sound, you're unlocking performance mode. Install it vertically or horizontally with the included hardware. Pair it with CXA-RC remote control for instant bass on demand. Thanks to Fit Plus Tech, it works with almost any factory setup, no converters, no BS. Your ride deserves better. Your music demands better. This amp delivers, effortlessly. Click that link to hear, and feel, the difference. Your playlist's about to punch you in the chest, in the best way possible. Supplies are limited and this amp sells out fast. Join the thousands of bassheads who've already cranked their system into the stratosphere. Don't sleep on this, your eardrums, and your street cred, are counting on it. Whether you're a casual cruiser or a decibel dominator, the CXA1200.1 is your no-regrets upgrade. No risk, all reward. So what are you waiting for? Hit that buy button now and experience the sound that turns heads, drops jaws, and leaves potholes trembling.